Hi, hello, namaste, namaskara, vanakkam. Welcome to Eater's Paradise Made with Love. In this video, we are going to see how to make very delicious dil pasand or dil kush without using oven at home. So let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add salt per taste and add half teaspoon of baking powder. You should not use baking soda. You have to use the baking powder. Mix all really well these dry ingredients. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee to this mixture and mix it really well. Basically, ghee in maida mixture gives you the very nice crispy and flaky texture to dil pasand or dil kush. Now add water as needed and mix it to form a thick or a tight dough. Now leave this dough aside for 10 to 15 minutes. You have to wait for it. Now we will start to make the sweet filling of dil pasand. Now to make a sweet filling of dil pasand, in a bowl take 1 cup of desiccated coconut and add 1 cup of tutti frutti and chopped cashews and dry grapes or kishmish, and add half cup of sugar powder and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Now mix all these ingredients very well, and to add nice flavor, add some half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it really well with all other ingredients. Now the sweet filling of dil pasand is ready. Now I am greasing my cake tin with ghee, or you can use the parchment paper also. But to bake this dil pasand, baking it with ghee is the best option. That too, while baking this dil pasand without oven, using the ghee is the best option. After 10 to 15 minutes, the dough is ready. Take this out and knead it for 2 minutes and divide this dough into 2 parts. And the 2 parts should be in the ratio of 2:1. The bigger part will be the bottom one and smaller part will be the upper part. Now take one of the dough and roll it to a thin sheet. As thin as possible you can do this. After rolling this dough to a thin sheet, apply some ghee and dust it with maida on top. Now roll this sheet like this. You have to roll from one side to another side. After rolling this, apply some ghee at the edges and again roll it like this, like a wheel shape. Basically, after making this rolling 2 times for every dough, you can get a layer in a dil pasand and also the crispiness from these layers. Now again roll this to a medium sized sheet. Do the same procedure for another piece of dough also. The same procedure you have to follow the another piece of dough. It may be the bottom one or the upper one. Now the both upper and bottom sheets are ready. Now take the bottommost layer to fill it up with the sweet mixture of the dil pasand. Take the bottom layer and fill it up with the sweet mixture of dil pasand like this in the middle, and you have to cover this sweet mixture with the topmost layer sheet, and this upper layer sheet will be the smaller than the bottom one. Now seal the edges like this so that you can get the very crisp edge on every side. First you have to fix this bottom up layer and you have to seal the edges of the bottommost layer like this so that you can get the very nice edges. If you feel it's not sticking up to the upper layer, you have to use the water. After sealing all the edges like this, it's now ready to bake. Now place this dil pasand in a greased cake tin and apply ghee on top of dil pasand or dil kush. Now take a pan, fix a stand inside that and preheat this pan for 10 to 15 minutes. After preheating, place this cake tin and cover up with a lid and bake this dil pasand for 20 minutes on both sides. You have to bake this one side for 10 minutes or 15 minutes at least, and turn it up with another side and again bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 20 to 30 minutes of baking this dil pasand, the very delicious and crispy and flaky dil pasand is ready to serve. Only after cooling this down completely, you can cut into a 4 equal parts and enjoy with your family and friends. Now it's ready to serve and enjoy. Please do subscribe our channel, like this video, share this video with your family and friends. I will come up with more simple and delicious interesting recipes. So until for my next video, stay tuned, take care and bye bye.